This guy wanted to see what would happen if he screamed while his dogs were playing.
Stop it!
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso. Yeah, that way.
This guy went to a celebrity meet and greet and tried to sneak a video when no cell phones were allowed.
You can do it! You can do it, Snowball! You can do it! You can do it! You can do it! Oh!
He's like, oh, there's a camera on me.
Two.
This person had a construction crew working on something in her yard when they got a little too close. These guys made a cool animation using grass clippings.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me?
Watch me. Oh, okay.